The type of video you just saw? That thing is creating million views, and I'm about to show you exactly how it was made. Look, I've spent months reverse engineering the strategy behind these viral AI shorts, and today I'm sharing the complete blueprint with you. 4 tools, 1 system, unlimited potential for viral content. We will cover the AI prompt secrets, the visual generation process, animation techniques, and the monetization strategy that's working right now. This isn't some theory I read online. This is the proven method that's making creators serious money. First up, if you are wondering where to get all those transformation ideas, ChatGPT is your creative powerhouse. But here's what most people get wrong. They just ask for random prompts. Big mistake. You need a system, a prompt that gives you exactly what works. I have a magic formula. I need 10 relatable short prompts about countries that look like animal warrior characters. These should be formatted in a table where one column is the topic divided into 2 parts. The first part is the country name, and the second part is the prompt to generate images. The language should be super simple, not flowery or preachy, and avoid complicated words. And I can't stress this enough. Don't forget to give ChatGPT some examples. This prompt does 5 critical things. First, it tells ChatGPT exactly how many prompts we need. No guessing games. Second, it clarifies the topic so we stay on brand. Third, it specifies the exact format we want. That table structure is key for organization. Fourth, it sets the language and tone. Simple, not fancy. And fifth, this is the secret sauce. It gives ChatGPT real examples so the AI knows exactly what we're looking for. Boom! ChatGPT spits out a perfect table. Column 1, your topic. Column 2, the country. Column 3, the exact prompt you'll use to generate stunning visuals. It's like having a viral content team working for free, 24/7. Now here's where it gets awesome. You can milk this forever. Want to switch it up? Just ask for countries as mythical creatures or countries as superheroes. I've even tried countries as anime characters and countries as food mascots. Yeah, that last one sounds weird, but trust me, weird sells on TikTok. Now let's turn those prompts into jaw-dropping images. Midjourney is what I use for creating these images, and honestly, the quality is mind-blowing. When I first tried this, I couldn't believe an AI could create images that looked like they came from $1 million studio. Like seriously professional grade stuff that would make graphic designers cry. Before generating your image, remember to change your aspect ratio to 9:16. This is crucial for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The next step is simple. Just copy your ChatGPT prompt and tweak it a bit to fit your liking. Want to make your images pop even more? Add ~S750 to your prompt. This cranks up the stylization and makes everything look more dramatic and eye-catching. Boring doesn't go viral, but dramatic warrior countries? That's pure engagement gold. Also, most people don't realize this, but you should use the same seed number for every image in a single video. Just add ~seed followed by the same number to all your prompts for that project. This keeps your visual style locked in throughout the entire piece, so your content actually looks like it was planned by a pro instead of looking like a random mess of different art styles. Hit enter, then watch the magic happen. We're talking professional grade images in under a minute. The first time I did this, I showed everyone in my house because I couldn't believe what I saw. Here's a pro tip for you. When Midjourney gives you 4 options, don't just pick one. Use the upscale feature to upscale the best ones, then use the vary feature to create variations of your favorites. Sometimes the variations are even better than the originals. Do this for all your countries, download the best ones, and here's another secret. Try adding cinematic lighting or epic fantasy style to your prompts. It makes everything look like a movie poster, and boom, you've got your visual arsenal ready. Okay, static images are cool, but moving visuals, that's where the real engagement happens. This is where Kling AI comes in, and honestly, this tool feels like magic. Upload your image, select image to video, and let the AI work its magic. The movement it creates is so natural, so engaging. People literally can't scroll past it. I'm talking about subtle warrior movements, eyes that seem to follow you. It's creepy good. If you're not sure how to prompt Kling AI to animate your images effectively, just ask ChatGPT. Create animation prompts for Kling AI to animate warrior country images. Include subtle movements like breathing, flag waving, glowing eyes, and epic poses. Here's something most creators don't tell you. Not every image will animate perfectly. Some will be absolutely stunning, others might look a bit, well, let's just say the AI had a creative moment. That's totally normal. Just click redo or modify the prompt to generate a few variations and pick the best ones. The last step is where everything comes together. You'll feel like a real video editor, even if you've never edited anything in your life. Now here's the thing, one single scene about one country isn't enough to post on YouTube or TikTok. We need to merge all the videos and flags into one cohesive video that tells a complete story. CapCut is free, powerful, and perfect for this type of content. Import all your video clips, switch to that vertical 9:16 format, and start building your masterpiece. Add those smooth floodlight transitions between clips. They're perfect for this style. Why? Because it creates this epic cinematic feel that makes your content look like it costs way more than $0 to make. I have a small trick for you here. Add a subtle shake effect right at the end of each clip, just before the transition. It creates this anticipation that keeps viewers hooked. It's like, you know when you're about to sneeze and that little pause before it happens? Same energy, but for videos. Text overlay is crucial. Use a bold font with an outline so it pops on every background. I recommend something clean and readable because fancy fonts might look cool, but if people can't read your text, they're scrolling past faster than you can say engagement rate. Animate it with a spring entrance and fade out exit. The spring animation adds this bounce that catches the eye. It's subtle but effective. Copy this text for each country and just change the names. Simple but professional. Don't forget the flags. Grab them from Google or Pixabay. They're royalty free, so no copyright headaches keeping you up at night. Position them next to your text, add that shake animation, and you're golden. The flag adds authenticity and helps viewers instantly recognize which country you're featuring. Most people overlook music, but this factor makes or breaks these videos. You can have the most incredible visuals in the world, but if your audio is trash, your video is trash. Epic Sport Hip Hop from Pixabay is cool for the job. It's free, it's energetic, and it matches the warrior vibe perfectly. But here's the thing, timing is everything. You want the beat drops to align with your transitions. It's like conducting an orchestra, except your orchestra is made of AI-generated warrior countries. Throw in a monster roar sound effect for extra impact. Place it right when the first warrior appears on screen. It adds this dramatic punch that makes viewers go, "Whoa, that was cool." And one more audio tip that's worth its weight in gold. Keep your music consistent across all your videos in a series. It creates brand recognition. People will start to associate that sound with your content, and that's exactly what you want for building a loyal audience. What if there's already a hot trend you want to jump on? Smart creators know the secret. Use the exact same audio everyone else is using. Check out the trending videos in that category. They're all using the same track for a reason. When you use that same sound, you're basically telling YouTube and TikTok, hey, put me in this trend too. The algorithm sees the audio match and thinks, oh, this belongs with those other viral videos. Plus, viewers scrolling through that trend will recognize the sound and stop to watch your take on it. It's like wearing the right uniform to get into the club. That's the complete system. 4 tools, unlimited potential. Some creators hit 100K views on their first try. Others build it up over weeks. Either way, you now have everything you need to start your own viral AI empire. Want to try these amazing AI yourself? All links and resources are awaiting you in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.